Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel, and yes, I am back. First of all, thank you so much for all the love and support, all the loving comments on all the social media platforms I'm on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, here in the comment section. It's so amazing to have you, and even if I was away for a year to take a break, I always read your comments. And I kept you in my heart. So thank you so much. You are the best to me. I'm so thankful. So, and to celebrate my coming back, I just have a great option for you, which includes this lamp here. I got contacted a few weeks ago from Aliexpress. Maybe one of you guys or some of you guys know this brand. Their page is called Aliexpress.com, and they selling all the good stuff you need to do your own nails. And they've sent me a lamp, a UV LED lamp to test try. And this one here is the lamp I got, and I just wanted to show you my opinion on this lamp, and surprisingly it's very good. I'm loving this lamp so far. So just let me show you this one here, this lamp. It's a cool thing. You have the option to cure all the gels, which means you can cure all the UV gels, the LED gels, the hard gels, the builder gels, the UV gel polishes, and so on. And then it has 36 LED lights, which means you can even cure them faster than the traditional nail dryers. So which saves more time and saves more nerves, because if you're impatient like me, you will love this lamp. So then it has the option that it's painless while curing the most gels, if you know what I mean. Some builder gels or hard gels can get quite hot in the while curing it. And this lamp here has white LED lights, which are gentler in the curing process than the traditional purple UV lights. And that's true. I've tested the heck out of this lamp, and yeah, it's just true. So if you are curious on the nail design I was creating while testing this lamp, you have to watch the following video, and I hope I'm able to upload the next design tutorial within a few days, depending on the time I got. And I also want to mention to you that the company Aliexpress will have a big sale on the end of this month, which will go from, I think, from the 28th to the 30th of March 2018. So please check them out if you want to save some money and get your own Aliexpress supply. Yeah, that's all I want to say. Give them a try. I love this lamp. I will totally use it till it dies in a few years, I hope. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I see you in my next video. Bye.